Okay, we are going to design a simple animation using a phone. With your phone, you can create an animation as simple as a bouncing ball to cartoons using your phone. Now, to achieve this, you download the app called Flipper Clip. Flipper Clip. Okay, once you download and install, you tap to open the app. Flipper Clip. Okay, this is the app called Flipper Clip. And once you open up the app, you allow it to load. And once it's done loading, it will give you by default your past projects for you to either continue editing or view. Okay, but we'll be creating a new project, and the project we'll be creating is going to be a bouncing ball. We're going to see how we can use this application to create a bouncing ball. And to achieve that, you tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the app with a pink background. You tap and it gives you this environment for you to enter the name of your project, a bouncing ball. Okay, we'll change the background, and to do that, you tap on the icon that just before the paint bucket. Okay, on the icon that looks like bucket, the icon before it, you tap and gives you options of background that you can use. But for this project, we're going to use the black background. So you tap, and then you tap on the backward arrow at the top left hand of the screen. We have the background selected. By default, it has the canvas size is the YouTube 1080 by 720. You can also tap and make this 1280 by 720. Sorry. You can also select various options available. But for this project, we'll be using the YouTube 720, and the frames per second, as the FPS, will be set at 12 by default, and we're going to make use of that. The frames per second has to do with the speed of the video, so 12 is fine. So once this is fine, you tap on the create project button and allow it to load. So once it loads, it gives you your work area. You have your black background. At the bottom, you have your frames. To create new frame, you tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the page to create a new frame. Now at the top, you have the pencil icon. Now when you tap on it, it gives you drawing tools, the pencil, the pen, brush, okay, and marker for you to work with, depending on what you want to achieve. Or for us to draw the ball, we use the pencil because we are drawing. Okay, and next to it has to do with the points of the pencil. You can either increase or decrease by simply you tap and hold. You can move downwards or upwards to increase the point of the pencil. So I'll use 36 pixels. And you can also change the color. You tap, okay, you swipe through and select a color. Once it's selected, close this. Okay, now to draw a circle or any other shape, at the top just above the arrow with the pink background, there's a ruler icon. You tap on it, it gives you 3 options. At the bottom, just as you can see, you have the line, the circle, and the square. Because we are drawing the ball, we use the circle. You tap on it, okay, and you practically draw it round to form the circle. Okay, but because this is too big, we need to reduce it. To do that, you tap on the back arrow with the pink background and use the third icon here. Tap on it, draw a square to select the circle. And you can use the edges, the boxes at the edge of this square to reduce the size of the circle. And reduce it. We're going to move it up. Okay, So what we are going to be achieving is to create multiple frames and duplicating these balls, changing their position downwards. Okay, we duplicate the frames, duplicate the balls on each frame, changing their position, moving downwards. And to achieve that, we're going to copy this ball. At the top we have the copy icon. Okay, select the copy icon, create a new frame and paste it. Then we'll move it a little bit downwards, copy, create and paste. Okay, move it downwards. So we're going to continue. Okay, move it downwards, copy, copy, okay. Okay, so we'll repeat, and this time around move it downwards. I'm going to stretch the cycle, dragging the edges, stretch it. So going to copy this, paste it and reduce it. Take this down because the ball is bouncing. Move it down. Okay, so you're done creating the frames. We have 12 frames, and because the ball is bouncing, when it goes down it comes up. So we're going to reverse by simply copying all frames and pasting them back. To do that, you hit the 3 dots at the top right hand of your screen and you select the second option, frames viewer. It displays all frames. Tap and hold to select the frame, and you tap on each frame to select them. Then once this is achieved, next is to duplicate them. Now the copy icon is after the delete. The next icon is the copy icon. You tap on it and immediately it enables the paste icon. So we are pasting this way by the right. The last button by the right is the paste icon. We paste, pasted already. Pasted already, so once that is pasted, you close this using the close icon at the top left. Close, you will move backwards. Okay, so we can play this and see what it looks like. Now we have achieved a bouncing ball. As you can see, the ball is bouncing. Okay, so you can stop this, and to export this as a video, you go back and hit or tap the 3 dots. It gives you an option, make a movie. Okay, we're going to tap on it, make movie. Make movie, tap again, and it's making the movie. Preparing your video is ready. You can save to photos, and this is saved to your file. So guys, remember the name of the app is Flipper Clip. And with this, you should be able to design a simple animation using this application. Thank you for your time.